Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Gmail notification not working. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and enable notification in your app. So try to go ahead and open your Gmail application first. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the triple lines menu on the top left of your screen. And this is where you want to go all the way down to settings. Inside of your settings, you want to simply go ahead and select your account. And finally, you can simply go ahead and look for notifications. If you don't find it up there, it should be down around here somewhere. And if you still don't find it here, you will find it inside of your settings. So simply go ahead and open your settings and then go all the way down to apps. And now this is where you want to simply go to Gmail. Tap on your Gmail application, tap on notifications, and make sure all of this is turned on. If it still doesn't work, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your Gmail application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.